Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And we are testing out the Dermablend Flawless Creator. This is a drop, and what it says about it is for me to put my glasses on. Okay, it says one foundation for all, winner of, oh, I don't even care about that. With Flawless Creator Multi-Use Foundation, Liquid Foundation Drops, you define your Flawless Creation Use Foundation alone or mix with your skincare, such as face moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, and more. Customize your coverage. For light coverage, use 1 drop. For maximum coverage, use 4 drops. Suitable for all skin types, developed in true to tone, fade-proof shades. Never cakey or masky, for an even and natural look. Provides 16 hours of comfortable wear that is smudge and transfer resistant. That's pretty much all it says. It says it's multi-use, water-free, and oil-free formula for seamless blendability when used alone or mixed with skincare. I don't understand how it can be water and oil-free and still liquid, but that's what it says. Vegan, no animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. Non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, sensitive skin tested, formulated without parabens, phthalates, tricolsan, sodium lauryl sulfate. Okay, that's it. That's all it says. It comes in 20 shades and it is on sale at Ulta right now for $28. It regular retails for $40. I had to get mine on Amazon because they didn't have my shade at my Ulta, and it was $28 on Amazon also. The only thing about Amazon is you can't take it back. So, anyways, if you're interested in seeing how this works, stay tuned. Okay, guys, let's get started. I have already primed my skin with my Angel Veil that I used in the Get Ready With Me last week. I hadn't used this in a long time, and it was so nice that I decided to use it again because I thought that turned out really well on Friday, the Get Ready With Me. So, and since we're using another drop, now this one, you can mix it and stuff, but I'm not going to mix it. I'm going to use it straight up, and then I'm going to try not to use too much because that's what it says. It goes a long way. If I can get it open now that I've got primer on my hand. There. So I'm just going to put a few drops on my face. This is going to look really light, but the next one up was like super dark. And I just want something that I can throw on and leave because I'm always in a hurry. All right, that's probably too much, but I'm just going to go in with a brush first, like I always do. And I tried this on my hand in store and compared it to my Catrice, and it's lots lighter, but the next one that I tried, the next up in shades for this, was way too dark, and you can't make it lighter. Well, I actually could. I could have bought 2, but they were 28 bucks. So, and that's on sale. They're on sale right now for 28 bucks. And they were $28 on Amazon too, though. The only thing is with Amazon, if I don't like it, too bad. I'm stuck with it. Oh, I forgot to move my mirror back. I'll do that so that you guys can see better. I try to keep it a little sideways still so that when I lean forward, you guys can still see me. It covers really good. I hope it doesn't get all dry on me. But I put moisturizer on first, and then I put that Angel Veil for the primer. So I'm really hoping it doesn't. And see, once I get it blended in, it's still light, but it's not nearly as light as it looked like it was going to be. So we can just bronze it up. And then in the future, I'll probably mix just a drop of my Catrice in it, if I like it. Well, I have to like it because it's, you know, Amazon. I will link it from Ulta, because that way if you don't like it, you can take it back. But just know that on Amazon, it's the same price if they don't have your color, which is this color. It was like the only color they were out of. And this is the second to the lightest. They have one lighter. It's 0N. This one's 10N. I think I told you that. Not sure. It looks pretty. I probably should get some of that color corrector. Somebody told me to try it. I don't remember who. And I don't remember if they said a specific one. I think they might have. I'll have to look back at my comments and see what they said, because it's too late now. It looks good. It's a little bit dry on my forehead where I have, you know, kind of had flaky skin, so it's not quite as good as the Catrice. But hopefully, if I mix a little of the Catrice in it later, I want to see how it wears right now, so I don't want to do that. Let's go in with our concealer. I'm using the Jeffree Star concealer, which I absolutely need to get more of. I wish he would sell it at Morphe or something, or Ulta, so I don't have to pay shipping every time I order something, because it seems like I order something from him and then I realize I should have got something else too, and so I always end up making more orders and having to pay twice as much shipping. I need to put it there, but I really want that to coagulate first. Oh, I forgot to put it around my nose. I always forget that, huh? Can you guys see? Seems like it's too high. And I have to be able to see. This room is the hottest room in the house because the house is freezing, but now I'm in here and I'm probably gonna have to take this sweater off because I can feel it getting warm. I think I'm gonna use my Jordana contour because I want to give this time to coagulate a little bit. I need to look straight at this. Okay. Whew. I'm hot. This is the Jordana Sculpt and Go, I think. Yep, Sculpt and Go in Light. I was going to use this in my drugstore. Get ready with me. I had it out, but I forgot, and I went to powder, and then you can't do it then. I don't think. I've been told you can. I don't know. I should try, huh? Because I've been told other stuff that I can't do, and I can. This is a little bit pink for me, but that's okay. I'm going to use a bronzer on it anyways. So now I'm going to go in with my Bye Bye Pores, my absolute favorite powder. Somebody actually mentioned that another YouTuber, Juicy Jazz, I haven't looked her up yet because I just read it this morning, said that there's an e.l.f. compact that is a dupe for this. So I'm going to find it and see. First I'm going to find Juicy Jazz and see if I can find that video to make sure I get the right one, because e.l.f. has a lot of stuff. And then I'm going to try it, because that would be awesome to get an e.l.f. dupe for the Bye Bye Pores. Oh, I love this powder. It's so finely milled. And it's more than finely milled, because I've had other, like my translucent powder from Laura Mercier is really finely milled, but it does not reduce pores like this. None of them do that I've tried. And, you know, if it reduces pores, it also reduces wrinkles. It doesn't get rid of them. It just makes them less obvious. Okay, let's go in with some Physicians Formula. I love the smell of this. And basically we're going to go right over where I went with that Jordana. I forgot to go down here with the Jordana. I also forgot to go under my lip, but that's okay because I don't really want to do that with that. There. It's so close to my lip that when I talk, it starts to bleed again. Probably shouldn't have done it, huh? I need to cut this up a little bit more. All right, now we're going in with blush. We're going to use the Milani Berry Amore. That's this one. The one I used in the Get Ready With Me. I hadn't used it in a long time and I forgot how much I loved it. Now I'm going to go in with my dual fiber. Just kind of blend a little bit so it looks natural as it can get with still being makeup. Yeah, it's looking a little dry. Hopefully I can make it work though, because I'm stuck with it. I think I can. I'll just mix a little of that in it. But so far, on its own, it's a little dry. Okay, for highlighter, we're going to use, let's use something we haven't used in a long time. Let's use this Moonstone I think that's what it's called. From Becca. I can't see what it says. I think it's Moon something. This is Moonstone from Becca. And that's what we're going to use for our highlight today. We're just kind of mixing it up. Trying not to use exactly the same stuff I used in the last one. Although I did love the look, so I'm not against it. Go back in with my dual fiber just to make it blend a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for the day today. And if you like this eye look, it'll be up on Wednesday. It's a little bit drying on my forehead, and I can see a little bit of the red coming through. So it's kind of weird that it's drying, because if it's not full coverage, if it's not going to cover that stuff. Now granted, some of that is from me messing with my skin this morning, so maybe it'll fade away. But this thing isn't, and actually neither is this. This is like another one of those, and they're both on their way out, but they're taking forever. So anyways, I will wear this for the rest of the day and come back and let you know if anything changed. Setting spray did not help. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know if it went bad or if it got better. Because sometimes it gets better. It's like my oils come through, which I don't even think I have very many oils, but sometimes I have just enough, because they do come through and make it better. So I'll check back in at the end of the day and let you know how it did. Okay guys, I am back. This is the end of the day. This is our final check-in for the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment. And I have to say, it did get better. As my oils came through, I can still see a little bit of dryness, but not bad. But you know, all the things that this was claiming, it was saying that you can mix it, and I think that's what I'm going to do next time. I'm going to mix it in with my moisturizer and try that and see if that doesn't. And actually, I'm going to mix this, and I'm just going to add a drop of something darker, because it's a little bit light. I mean, it's not really, now that it's all done, but it was a little bit dark, so I probably will add just a drop of the Catrice, because it seems to be the perfect color. So, but for today, I'm going to give it a thumbs up, because it did get better. And it has a lot of good coverage. It's very glowy, very light. Can't feel it at all. It would be a perfect one, especially if you can mix it into your moisturizer and get it to just slap it on and go. That would be so awesome, huh? No, I would never do that, but I do go without makeup all the time, so I don't know why I would never do that. But you have to add a little depth back in, otherwise you look flat. So anyways, I am going to give this one a thumbs up. It's not going to be my favorite, at least not the way, not just using it by itself as a foundation. Maybe it will be once I add it to a moisturizer though. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure you hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!